Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here at the Kroger weekly ad preview for the upcoming sale that'll run from October the 2nd through October the 8th of 2019 at Kroger. And you read that title right, another mega event. Yes and no, it is not a full-fledged 300 items mega event. However, there are actually two mega event style sales going on, which is really weird. That's how they're doing it this week at Kroger. So we're just going to go and talk about all of those. But first up, if you haven't seen my newest video that I did today, I would really ask you all to please watch it. It is actually a dead mall video, which I know is kind of different from my usual. And if some of you are probably like, oh my gosh, has Nick quit the couponing videos? I am not quitting the couponing videos, but I also would like to incorporate this kind of thing in because, I don't know, I just really have a passion for this kind of thing. Like, I really love doing this kind of video. Like, I had so much fun with it. And my community, actually, I shared it in the community through various social media and stuff. And a lot of my community really loved it. And so I want to keep doing them once or twice a month. It's not going to be like every day. That'd be impossible. But I'm going to incorporate these in. So I would ask you all, please go over there and watch that and just give it a chance. I understand if it's not your thing, but maybe just try it and tell me, well, you don't have to tell me if you hate it, but you can try it and see what you think because it's something I really enjoy and would like to incorporate here on my channel. All right, so let's talk Kroger now. Back to the grind of what I usually always do. So we have the Honeycrisp apples for $1.45 starting Wednesday. $2.97 for the 3-pound things of cuties. The little clementines. $1.99 a pound for asparagus, 9 cents a pound for the pork cutlets, $2.49 a pound for the ribs, and $6.77 for the T-bone steaks. 59 cents for Powerades. That's pretty good. I'm shocked they're not making you buy 10. It usually is you have to buy 10. There's a 25-cent Ibotta for any sports drink. $1.99 when you buy 2 Doritos or Ruffles, and then 4 for $10 on the Coke, Pepsi, and it looks like A&W too. But the 7-Up products are cheaper now at $1.49 if you could hurry and get out there tonight. And then we got $4 for the shrimp there. All right, and then we have 4 for $12 for the Coke or 7-Up 12 packs. $2.77 for Edie's ice cream. 2 for $5 for the Silk almond milk. Okay, and then down here is actually, in my book, this is a really great price for the candies. Not going to say if you don't wait a little bit longer, I think it will go even cheaper. I do think the candy will go even cheaper later. However, this is definitely a great price. Like, when you think how much Walmart charges for candy, this is a good price. So if you want to get it now, you can. If you want to hold out and see if it goes cheaper, there is a chance it will go cheaper because it has in the past. But I personally probably will pick some up while it's this cheap because, like, church has trunk or treat, and who doesn't want candy, right? I want candy, so I think I'm going to get some. But okay, so it's $1.99 when you buy 4 or more. So you don't have to buy in sets of 4. You just have to buy 4 or more, which is really awesome. I really love that they're doing that. So we have a ton of coupons. So there is a coupon for $2 off any 3 Snickers, M&M's, Twix, Dove, Milky Way, or 3 Musketeers. It came in the $9.22 Retail Me Not. So that'll make them $1.33 each, which, oh my gosh, it's crazy. We also have a coupon for $2 off of any 3 Butterfinger, O. Henry, Sweet Tarts, Baby Ruth, Laffy Taffy, Crunch, Nerds, that kind of stuff from the 9.15 Smart Source. You would get those for $1.33. And then coming in tomorrow's Smart Source, the 9.29, getting $1 off to Reese's, Kit Kat, Hershey's, Almond Joy, York, Mounds, Payday, Take 5, Milk Duds, Whoppers, Twizzlers, or Jolly Rancher. Just make sure to get all that stuff straight and together. You would get a really mega awesome deal right there on the candy for $1.49. So that's a deal. That really is a deal. I think I'll do it at that price. But I know some CVS shoppers have been getting it cheaper. But not everyone feels like messing with CVS. Okay, so we have the Kellogg's large size cereals for $1.49. There have been Ibottas and there have been coupons. So that'd be really cheap. But on the weekend sale matchups, I'll come back and let you know exactly what cereals are included and what deals we have. Because as of right now, we don't know what cereal will be included. The Chobani Gimmies is $1.49. And I am almost positive, let me look it up in the database, we have, yes, I thought we did. We have $1 off of any Chobani Gimmies multi-pack from the 9/8 Smart Source. So you can stack that coupon and get the Chobani Gimmies for 49 cents, which that's crazy. And the party size Lays or Tostitos are $1.99. And we just have some various other deals. $4.99 for Folgers or Dunkin' Donuts. Then we got a $1 Dunkin' Donuts coupon in last week's paper in the Retail Me Nots. And then $1.88 for some Kroger cheese. So not too shabby. All right, so here's 1 out of 2 of the mega events I was talking about. It is a 99-cent sale. And basically what this is to if you buy in multiples of 5, of course you can mix and match. Kroger lets us do that. You'll get it at the 99-cent price. So not a whole lot of coupon matchups. I don't think there are any coupon. Yes, there is a coupon matchup actually, but there's some good stuff here. So you can mix and match. So you don't have to buy like 5 2-liters. You can buy 2 2-liters and 3 Cheez-Its or something like that. But here we have 99 cents for Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or 7-Up 2-liters. We have 99 cents for the Cheez-It crackers, the Kroger potato chips, and the Kit Kat or Hershey's 8-pack bars, which is awesome. I'm hoping the Hershey's dark chocolate will be included because I really like those. So that'd be great. Personally, this might be like the best deal. Sara Lee bread is 99 cents. When has Sara Lee bread ever been 99 cents? I don't remember Kroger ever running a Sara Lee bread for 99 cents, but that's what it says for the butter bread, which is insanity. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce is 99, and then the Kroger 16-count cheese singles. That's really good. 99 cents for the 16 slices of cheese. That is epic right there. Okay, and then here we have the crinkle cut, or no, just any Kroger frozen potatoes, 99 cents. That's epic. I am just so thankful that Kroger didn't do one of those stupid 5X digital events. I love it when they run just sales like this. I love it when they do that. Okay, we have the Kroger waffles for that price, as well as we have some Kellogg's fruit snacks. So that's pretty good. What else do we got here? We have, 99 cents for the Kroger brand broth, which is good, but right now you can get the Simple Truth Organic brand for 99 cents, so it might be better to go do that. Kroger salad dressing and the hamburger helpers for 99 cents. I don't think we have coupons for hamburger helper right now. And that's it for that sale. But keep in mind, I almost bet anything because it says look for the tags. I think there's going to be a lot more included. So if there is, I'll be sure to throw it in the video for Wednesday when I go and do my walkthrough at Kroger. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to film that video. We'll see. But I'm going to give you guys all the heads up. Here's just the junk page as usual. There's really nothing there, except for buy one get one free Blue Buffalo dog pet food. That's actually a pretty good deal. You might not want to pass that up. Down here is a really dumb buy 3 save 6. I personally would pass on all this, except the soft soap's not too shabby. But they're just throwing in a bunch of really expensive products. Bulk size. And if you're a couponer, we don't buy bulk size of really anything. So, yeah, that's kind of just a fluff thing. So I'm not too pumped about that. And then a really, really cool thing is we have a frozen foods instant savings event, which is so weird. I'm not used to Kroger running instant savings, but they legit are, and I'm really excited about it. So they're running spend 20, save 5 instantly. Keep in mind with Kroger and instant savings, it really sucks, but you have to have it be $20 after you use any manufacturer coupons. That's how Kroger does it. No, I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure about deals here. Come back on Wednesday, and I'll go through and match all this up. I am probably going to just do one big video on Wednesday of me and Kroger. I'm going to try to take it back in store. I really would like to go back in store. School's just been hectic, but I'm pretty sure I can swing it this Wednesday doing an in-store video, because I'm going to have to do my walkthroughs for all this stuff. So I'm pretty sure what I'll do Wednesday is just take you guys in store and show you this stuff and just do my matchups like that. Because there are some really good deals, like the Halo Top Pops. I know we have Shopkick and Ibotta and just lots of stuff in KCB. So I really think it could be potentially a really great deal. So be on the lookout for that video on Wednesday. 10 for 10 for some pie pumpkins. Yeah, nothing else too crazy there. All right, and then down here, there is a free Friday, which here is our answer. It says first Friday of every month, so there will no longer be bi-weekly free Friday or every week free Friday. It's going to be a once-a-month thing, which, okay. And, of course, it's a random cup of yogurt, but either Good Belly or YQ. So, whatever. That's pretty much it. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited for it. I think it's actually potentially going to be a great week. I'm looking forward to Kroger next week. And be on the lookout for Wednesday for that awesome video. I can't wait to come back and hopefully take you guys in store. If not, I'll still have a really good, thorough video, whichever route we take. So yeah, that's all that I have for now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.